Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday the 25th of June 2015. Starting off in the 5-minute chart, quite a bit of volatility in the pre-market session. You can see there the market coming down from 18,150 going through the 18,100 before finding a bit of support. And then the afternoon session started with the market still directionless at within the first sort of 15 minutes, and then we had a triple X there, and we see the market moving lower. Well, you'll see the buying pressure coming into the market here, the scalp target down at the 18,050, but the market finding support beforehand with the green buying pressure bar, and then the market reverses with a buy triple X there, and you see the market filling this, giving a 14-point loss on the first trade. You then see the market go up to the 18,100, the market trading through, and you see prices driving through this, and then prices become sideways. And I'm just going to pop on the crosshairs here because I can see something that I want to bring to your attention that I saw during the live session yesterday. If you have a look at this volume bar and the range of this bar that follows the big bar that drove through the resistance, you can see there's a huge amount of volume compared to the previous bar. This indicates immediately some form of stopping volume, because if the volume is greater than the previous bar and the range is less, then there is some resistance to higher prices. It means that there's more selling coming into the market than buying. And we see this after, as the market then trades sideways, and then we get a PTI where we see prices closing back below the 18,100 and prices moving lower. Prices go through the scalp and take you to the 18,050 level. The market comes back but fails to hold above this level. You can see at 1720 the market struggling, even though there's some buying here. So this is just profit taking coming into the market, and then you see prices eventually move all the way down to the 18,000, that critical level that the market has been hanging on to for the last few weeks. And this is around an 80-point drop in this market based upon using 100% trailing stop. If you use 50%, you can see from here to here it's still a good day down to this level where the market found support at 35, and then down to the next psychological level, which is where the PTIs tend to trade to, well, the market as a whole. You can see there 80 points down to there as well. You see the buying pressure come back into the market, and as I've said for the last few months, that if you've made money in the first part of the session, forget the rest. Which brings me on to another point as well. During the last couple of months I've been working on a basic version of the software, and some of you may have noticed or not noticed, but at the top here there is a mode button now, and you can see it's got basic and advanced, and I'll be showing you more on this next week. At the moment we're just testing it, but the results are excellent indeed. And what we're doing is just trading the first part of the session, holding trades through the quiet part of the session if they're profitable, and so far so good. In fact, the results are far better than actually trading the evening session. And what we're doing here is adapting to the way the market has actually changed and simplifying everything as well. So just to let you know, there won't be any triangles, there won't be any diamond patterns, they will just be circles, just dots, and this makes it a lot easier to actually use and to trade as well. And also removing that evening session means that you're only trading for a couple of hours in the afternoon as well. So moving on to the daily chart, so you can see there the market reversing yesterday. We do have some selling in the market as well with the red selling bar there, but the market trying to bounce back this morning again, wants to get back above that 18,000 psychological level. Today's news, everything is out before the market actually opens. 2:45 Powell is speaking from the FOMC. Everything else will be out before then, but of course we've still got this in the background, the Greek debt. Apparently it's unraveled according to some of the headlines, Greek deal or not. There's all sorts of news, but at the moment there's still no deal, so the market's being affected by this. And then finally, in the implied volatility, well, we'll expect this to have gone up from 1073 on Tuesday, and for Wednesday's session we are seeing 1204, big reversal there. And of course you'd expect that as there's the uncertainty in the market once again. Monday the market was exuberant and moving higher because there was a potential of a deal. Tuesday it was sideways. Wednesday, no deal. So goodness only knows what the market's going to do today. It's all dependent upon Greece, whether they are going to do a deal or not. I suspect they will. It'll be a last minute one, as it generally is. Then if not, it will create quite a bit of volatility in the markets, which is also a good thing for traders as well. Right, that's it for me for today. As ever, thank you for your support. I will see you in tomorrow's edition, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.